Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tally forms to collect payments for online courses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable tally forms for collecting payments for your online courses, first, create an account on Tally. Visit the Tally website and click on Sign Up. Fill in the required details and confirm your email address. Once logged in, click on Create New Form. Choose a template that suits your online course or start from scratch. Add your course title and a brief description. Next, add a payment section by selecting Payment from the options. This will prompt you to connect a payment processor. Choose your preferred payment processor, such as Stripe or PayPal. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account securely. Set the amount you wish to charge for your online course. You can also set up different pricing tiers if necessary. Add any additional fields you need, such as student name or email. Make sure to include a confirmation or thank you message after payment. Once your form is complete, preview it to ensure it looks good. Click on the Share button to get the link to your form. You can also embed the form on your website if desired. Test the form yourself by making a sample payment. Check your payment processor to confirm that the transaction went through. Once satisfied, share your form link with your target audience. Monitor responses and payments directly from your Tally dashboard. This will help you track enrollment and manage your online course efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.